की खूब और का बातें से TV.
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Jingkhynra Nongdie Madan ka Shillong Municipal Board ha khandailan kala Ïaid Beit klam kanu ka Jingpynthut ha ka ba ki Nongdie Madan ru kala trelang mat ka Municipal nambar ba ya kitu ki bamdan ya ka license na ni ka certificate of vending kila Shuh no ya ka kerteng jongki na ka bantaban penrung kham hadian.
balloon wala kandi wala.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.